Alright guys, so the other day I was raking up some leaves and I noticed that under them were a whole bunch of worms. So before I go fishing today, I'm going to go ahead and look around the backyard under the leaves and see if I can find some earthworms. The goal is to take those and do some multi-species fishing with them. So we'll go ahead and get started looking for worms and then headed to the creek. Alright, so we just made it to this spot. This place is actually downtown. It's called Bronze Spring Park. It's a public fishing area. This place is notoriously hard for me to fish. I think I've probably caught about 3 bass on it here and a couple of sunfish. But there's actually a creek that runs through here, and then separate from that there's a main body of water to fish. So my goal is to use those worms that I got from my house and fish this little creek that runs through here, and if I can't get anything, I'm gonna head over to the lake and try fishing that, or I might just end up fishing both regardless, but we'll see. I'm gonna try that one more time. This weight is not on here right, but it's the best I could do with what I have, and I think I just threw my weight off. I sure did. That's great. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe I won't throw my... This is such a bad setup. Probably will catch a fish, but it's a horrible setup. Okay. I'm satisfied with that. I don't know if I can put this down or not, because last time I got hit pretty quickly. Yeah guys, but if I can catch one fish out of here, that'll be a success. I never am able to catch anything out of here. Got a leaf. These worms are way too small for this hook. Whatever. One fish. I'm actually cast down here to this side. So if you could see down there, there's actually a snake, but coming out of his stomach it looks like there's a turtle. So I don't know if the turtle died, then the snake tried to eat the... I have no idea what happened, but there's a dead turtle, what appears to be ruptured from the snake's stomach, but both are dead. Who knows? Although I got this janky setup on, I do have faith in this worm. Alright guys, we need one fish out of here, just one. Oh. Thank you. Oh, wow. And there we go. Oh. What is this we got here? What is this? Haha, bluegill. Oh man, you guys don't even know how many times I've fished here and never caught anything out of here. Alright guys, fish number 1 out of here is just a little bluegill, but I fished here so many times I've never been able to catch anything out of here. This place is super pressured and this water is so shallow and clear. But got the first fish out of here, a little bluegill. Let him go. Let's let him go down here. And There he goes. Alright, man. Alright guys, so I'm actually satisfied catching one fish out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and head to another creek spot downtown and put these worms to use, actually catch some fish. See you in a second. Alright. That's cast number one. Don't see that spool anymore. I do see a little bass. Something. Oh. Come on. What is this? Looks like a little shiner. Yep. And it completely engulfed that small hook. It's at the top of the mouth. Should just be able to pop out. Yep. There we go, little shiner. And you got the worm. Alright, cast number two. Probably get taken just as quick. There we go. Is this another shiner? Another shiner, man. And my bait is gone. Well, definitely come and get shiners to use for bass fishing. Alright, second fish out of here is another shiner. If you guys actually like to see me use these as live bait for bass, let me know. But I've never tried that. I'm assuming it'd be similar to use deep sea fishing with sardines or anchovies. So let them go. Well guys, I'm gonna call it for the day. As far as the objective, we were successful. However, I would have liked to have got on some more species and maybe a little bit more larger fish, but being able to get out, I'm limited to twice a week now, so just being able to get out and go fishing is always great. Hope everybody's having a great week. See you next time.